Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make this object in sheet metal process by using the Lofted Bend commands, and also I'll show the Lofted Form command. So these objects are made by the sheet metal process. Now I'm going to the file and taking the new part selected, then OK. Then I'm going to the top plane and taking the rectangle. Okay, sketch. Then I'm taking the square shape 4 by 4 inch. Okay, 4 and also 4 inch. Then okay, I'm taking the sketch fillet and select the four corners and the four corners, and the radius will be 0.1 inch. Then okay. The lofted band command will not be performed without uh, sketch, I mean section. So you have to clear the section. That's why we're going to the line and taking the center line, and I'm sketching a center line from the middle one from the origin. Okay, done. And press click select. Then going to the offset and offset it. Again taking the offset, click, and this way. Okay. Then trim is selected and trim this portion and trim this portion. Okay, done. After that, selecting the three lines and delete from the keyboards. Okay, if not deleted, then again selected, delete from the keyboard. Then exit it. After that, I am taking the another plane in also top plane. Go to the features, reference geometry, select the plane, and the distance will be 2.5 inch from the origin, or you can increase also. I'm taking up to this. Okay. Then I'm going to the sketch and taking the circle, sketching a circle. Okay, up to this. Similarly, I'm going to the center line and sketch from this origin. Right press click, select. Going to the offset. Similarly, offset it, offset. Okay. Again, I'm going to the trim entities and trim this circle portion. And okay. Again, selecting three lines. Okay. Then delete from the keyboard. Again, selecting this one and delete from the keyboards. Now exit it. I want to remove this plane, that's why I'm going here and click here. Now you are watching. Then I'm going to the insert and go to the sheet metal, lofted bands, click this portion, then click this portion. Lofted again. Going to the insert, sheet metal, lofted bands, click portion and click on this portion. Okay, here the form, so I want to bend it. Bend is done. You are watching, this one is the bend, and if I want to reverse it, it will be reversed. How it will be reversed? Then you will see. Okay, it will be uses the use gas types. Okay, I'm not taking this one. And if I want to, this one is the actually band command. So okay, you'll see. Okay, this one is the band. I'm the lofted banded performance. Click here and see. Okay, when it will be colorized, then you will see. I'm taking the class. Okay, this one. Then I'm taking this color or this color and see. This one is the lofted band. Now Control Z again. I'm going to the insert again and going to the sheet metal process and lofted bands. Then one click, another click, lofted band. But I want to form. Now this one is the form. Then okay. It's taking time. Getting problems. So again going to the insert. I did not change anything. I'm going to the perfect and click. You can click the here and here or point to point. I'm taking the point to point. Created some of the band. I'm taking the form. Then okay. Sometimes it's automatically creates. Sometimes it's taking the problems. Now it will be created for me again. Okay, I think you have understood, but um, now I'm fine. Now it's created. Okay, done. When I change the thickness, then it will automatically create. Now you can select this one. You see, change the font. I'm going here. Change the color. Eyeglass is taken, and this one, and select this. Okay, you see. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.